Today we'll listen to a short conversation and learn how to greet people and introduce ourselves. We'll also study some grammar and practice speaking. If you watch until the end, you'll be able to start a conversation in Korean.
Excuse me, is this Sumbisori Guest House?
Yes, I think it is. Here's how to study with this video. If you want to speak Korean with confidence and have real conversations with Koreans, please like, comment, and subscribe. To practice this lesson properly, you'll need the textbook. You can find it in the description below. Before you start today's lesson, take a look at the vocabulary list. First, listen without subtitles.
어서 오세요.
여기가 순비소리 게스트 하우스예요?
네, 맞아요. 제 이름은 사랑이에요. 매니저예요.
아, 저는 왕타오예요. 중국 사람이에요.
만나서 반가워요.
네, 반가워요. 지금 체크인 괜찮아요?
네, 지금 괜찮아요. 여권 주세요.
Now listen again with subtitles. If you need subtitles in another language, please turn on CC.
어서 오세요.
여기가 순비소리 게스트 하우스예요?
네, 맞아요. 제 이름은 사랑이에요. 매니저예요.
아, 저는 왕타오예요. 중국 사람이에요.
만나서 반가워요.
네, 반가워요. 지금 체크인 괜찮아요?
네, 지금 괜찮아요. 여권 주세요.
Now let's learn two grammar points. The first one is 예요, 예요.
제 이름은 사랑이에요. 매니저예요.
저는 왕타오예요. 중국 사람이에요.
예요, 예요 is used to say what something is or who someone is. It is used to indicate identity, a state, or a fact. It comes at the end of the sentence. 예요, 예요 is attached to a noun. If the noun ends with a final consonant, use 예요.
사랑이에요.
중국 사람이에요.
If there is no final consonant and ends with a vowel, use 예요.
매니저예요.
왕타오예요.
제 이름은 사랑이에요. 매니저예요.
저는 왕타오예요. 중국 사람이에요.
Fill in the blank with 예요 or 예요 and say it out loud. 이게 뭐예요? TV예요. 이게 뭐예요? 에어컨이에요. 이게 뭐예요? 시계예요. The second grammar point is 는.
제 이름은 사랑이에요.
저는 왕타오예요.
The 는 used in this dialogue is a topic particle. It shows the topic of the sentence, like saying, "This is what I'm talking about." If a noun ends with a final consonant, use 은. 제 이름은 중국 사람은. If there is no final consonant and ends with a vowel, use 는. 저는 타오는.
제 이름은 사랑이에요.
저는 왕타오예요.
Choose the correct one, 은 or 는, and read it out loud. 현금은 신용카드는 여권은 We learned 2 grammar points. Does that make sense? Now choose one from 은, 는, and one from 예요 to complete the sentence. 사랑이는 매니저예요. 타오는 중국 사람이에요. 지역은 홍대예요. 시간은 9시예요. 여기는 화장실이에요. Speaking practice. Now let's use what we learned and introduce ourselves. 이름이 뭐예요? If someone asks your name, you can say 제 이름은 이에요, 예요, or 저는 이에요, 예요. Put your name in the blank and read it out loud. 어느 나라 사람이에요? I'll show you 2 ways to say your nationality. 저는 한국 사람이에요. 저는 한국인이에요. Both 한국 사람 and 한국인 mean the same thing. Put your country in the blank and read it out loud. Great job! Now try talking with Sarang. Fill in the blanks with your own answers and respond to Sarang's questions.
안녕하세요. 저는 사랑이에요. 이름이 뭐예요? 저는 한국 사람이에요. 어느 나라 사람이에요? 만나서 반가워요.
Great job! Now let's go inside the guest house and meet Tao. Answer Tao's questions and talk with him.
안녕하세요. 저는 타오예요. 이름이 뭐예요? 어느 나라 사람이에요? 만나서 반가워요.
Great job! When you can say it, you can hear it more easily. Now let's listen to the conversation again and take a quiz. Are you ready?
어서 오세요.
여기가 순비소리 게스트 하우스예요?
네, 맞아요. 제 이름은 사랑이에요. 매니저예요.
아, 저는 왕타오예요. 중국 사람이에요.
만나서 반가워요.
네, 반가워요. 지금 체크인 괜찮아요?
네, 지금 괜찮아요. 여권 주세요.
Quiz time. Choose O for true and X for false based on the conversation you just heard. 여기는 호텔이에요. 여기는 게스트하우스예요. 이름은 사랑이에요. 이름은 사랑이에요. 타오는 한국 사람이에요. 타오는 중국 사람이에요. Great job! Now you can greet someone you're meeting for the first time. Review today's conversation and grammar in the textbook. Then practice more reading, listening, and writing that aren't in the video. That will help make your Korean even stronger.
There are many different types of housing in Seoul, especially places for students or young people just starting out. For example, 고시원, one-room, and semi-basement apartments.
What's a goshiwon?
Agoshiwon is a very small, cheap room. It was originally made for people studying for civil service exams. Because it's cheap, the room is usually really small.
A one room means a studio apartment, right?
That's right. In Korea, we call a studio apartment a one-room. Have you heard of a semi-basement?
Yeah, I saw it in the movie Parasite. It's a home that's half underground, right?
Exactly. It was originally built like a bunker underground. But as Seoul's population grew and housing prices went up, more people started living in these cheaper semi-basement places.
But it sounds kind of uncomfortable to live there.
Yeah, it's not the best environment for living. So these days, more people are trying to use semi-basements for other purposes instead of housing.
If I owned the building, I'd turn the semi-basement into my own PC cafe.
Haha, then I'd turn it into a party space for my friends.
Next time, we'll go pick up Priya, the new guest at the guest house. We'll learn the subject particles, 이, 가, and how to make negatives with 이, 가 아니에요. It'll help if you review the vocabulary before the lesson. See you next time.
Gonna 따라봐봐서 저쪽 갔다 봐 bottom let's sing along Gonna 따라봐봐서 저쪽 갔다 봐 bottom singing together Let's work and sing Let's hold hands together ah yeah, oh yeah 가슴을 펴고 나를 따라 해봐 다 함께 랄랄라 마음 열고 바라봐 사이좋게